Hi, it's Elle. I wanted to drop in today to say hello. You're considering joining the Website Words Workshop potentially, and obviously you haven't joined yet. So I just wanted to drop in and say, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am more than happy to answer questions. I know it can be a big kind of time and money commitment, especially if you're just starting out or you're kind of trying to refresh things across your business. I've seen the results that my students have got. I've seen them go from struggling, trying to do this by themselves, not being able to, and then potentially having to pay a copywriter to do it all for them in the end after months and months of agonizing struggle. Look, I don't want that to be you, and I am just here to reassure you that I have years and years of experience in sales copy. I really do know what makes a good website. I've taken all that experience, my background in psychology, all my marketing, I've years in marketing, in PR, in advertising agencies, and I have created what I believe to be the kind of ultimate website template for service businesses. It really is a kind of the kind of best practice of what you can do when you're just starting out or when you're just refreshing your brand, to make sure that your website converts. And as I keep saying, but I can't stress this enough. If you can learn some basic copywriting skills, it will set you apart from your competition. You are going to have to write as an online business. You are just going to have to do it. And so knowing these skills that I teach you in the Website Words Workshop, you can use across anything you write for your business. And all my students have said how beneficial that has been, how much it's changed their business, how much it's changed their life. So no hard sell. I would never, ever do that. I just wanted to kind of give you some reassurance. I am a real person. I really, really am passionate about this. This is kind of what I absolutely love to do. I love to teach sales copy because I know how much it can transform your business. And of course, as I said in the beginning, if you have any questions, please feel free to either answer to the email, drop me a DM at 23 Wise Words on Instagram. Any way you like, just get in touch and ask any questions you've got. I'm happy to even jump on a Zoom call if you want. So I would love to see you inside. All right, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.